Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to record invoice payments in QuickBooks Online. Handling your invoice payments accurately in QuickBooks Online is crucial for maintaining error-free financial records. It ensures that your business accounts are always up to date, which is essential for making informed decisions. We understand that this might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. We're here to guide you through this process step by step and make it as straightforward as possible. So, let's dive right in. Once you've logged into QuickBooks Online, direct your attention to the left-hand panel of the screen. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but what you want to focus on is the tab labeled Sales. Clicking on this tab will set you on the right path to managing your sales transactions and revenue tracking efficiently. After selecting the Sales tab, you'll be presented with several options. Your next stop will be the Invoices tab. Click on it, and you'll see a comprehensive list of all the invoices you've created and sent out to your clients. This list is crucial as it enables you to track which invoices have been paid and which are still outstanding. Now, to record a payment for a specific invoice, you'll need to locate the invoice for which you have received payment. Once you find the correct invoice, there will be an option labeled Receive Payment. Go ahead and click on this option. This step initiates the process of recording the payment against the chosen invoice, ensuring your records are consistently accurate. At this point, you'll need to input several important details about the payment. Start by indicating the payment method. This could range from a bank transfer, credit card payment, or even a traditional check. Selecting the correct payment method is vital as it helps categorize your transactions correctly in your accounts, which in turn affects your financial reporting and analysis. Next, you'll be asked to fill in the reference number. This is a number that could be a check number or a transaction ID, depending on the method of payment. Having this reference is extremely helpful if you ever need to verify the transaction later on. It's like a little breadcrumb trail that leads you back to the original transaction, should you need to retrace your steps. Additionally, you need to specify the account into which this payment has been deposited. This is a critical step because it ensures that your bank accounts and financial statements accurately reflect the transaction. Properly recording this ensures that your overall financial picture remains clear and precise. Once you have double-checked all the information and are confident that everything is correct, the final action you need to take is to click on Save and Close. This action securely records your payment, updating both your sales records and the related income account. It's like putting the finishing touch on a painting, ensuring everything is complete and in its rightful place. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully recorded the invoice payment in QuickBooks Online. This process helps keep your financial records precise and timely, contributing significantly to a clearer picture of your business's financial health. Whether you're reconciling your accounts or evaluating your financial statements, having accurate records like this is invaluable. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to record invoice payments in QuickBooks Online. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.